Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are discuss about the physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Physical properties of alcohols and phenols. In a previous video we are discuss about the preparation of alcohols and phenols. See here the first physical property, that is alcohols and phenols are very polar molecules due to presence of OH bond. The alcohols and phenols contains a OH group. Because of that, it is a polar molecule or it is a polar solution. Polar means which contains positive negatively charged, that is polar. Lower alcohols, that means which contains the carbon chain lower or small carbon chain. Lower alcohols are colorless. Toxic, that is poisonous. Toxic liquids with alcoholic odor that is smell. Alcoholic, a special or characteristic smell. Pure phenol is colorless. Pure phenol is colorless. Toxic, that is poisonous. Low melting solids with carbolic or phenolic odor. Smell of the lower or the pure phenol is phenolic odor or it is known as carbolic odor. Both are same. Then after, the boiling point of alcohols and phenols increases with increase in their molecular masses. That means the number of carbons are increases in the molecule, then the boiling point of alcohols and phenols are also increases. If the molecular masses are increases, that means number of carbon chain increases, the molecular mass also increases. By increasing molecular mass, the boiling point of alcohols and phenols also increases. Phenols and lower alcohols which contains less carbon chain show solubility, that is good solubility, in water due to ability to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. See here, there is a water molecule which contains two hydrogen atoms with one oxygen atom directly attached. That water molecule is form a weak bond between a oxygen and the hydrogen of water molecule. That oxygen is from OH group of an alcohol, that is OH group. The bond formation, the weak bond is formed or polar bond is formed between the oxygen of OH group of an alcohol or phenol and the hydrogen atom of a water molecule. It is a weak hydrogen bonding, so it is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because of that, the alcohols or phenols are good soluble in a water. Then after next, that is chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Chemical properties, that is the taste, how the alcohols and phenols react with another species. First upon, a laboratory test. In exam it can be, there may be question, give a one laboratory test of phenol or one laboratory test of alcohol. That means there is 4 laboratory tests, you can write at least one, or give the litmus test, give the reaction with base as like that. First, in a chemical properties of alcohols and phenols, a laboratory test. In a laboratory test, first test is a litmus test. You are already known about the litmus paper. There is two type of papers, one is blue, another one is red. When blue litmus turn to red, the solution is acidic. If the red litmus turns to blue, the solution is base, as like that. Aqueous solution of alcohol is neutral to litmus. That means the litmus paper does not change its color. If the red litmus dip in a aqueous solution of alcohol, the litmus paper does not change its color. That means it is a neutral. Aqueous solution of phenol turns blue litmus red. If a blue litmus paper dip in a aqueous solution of phenol, then the blue litmus change or turns the color of blue into red. That means it is acidic. Thus phenols have acidic character. That means phenols have acidic character. The next one, reactions with bases. Phenols cannot react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is also known as sodium bicarbonate, but react with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Phenol does not react with sodium bicarbonate, it is a base. These two are also bases. One is sodium hydrogen carbonate, another one is sodium hydroxide, but the phenol does not react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, it will be react with sodium hydroxide. See here, that is AROH, that is as a phenol. When react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, you can write direct as like that, no reaction, because sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate does not react with the phenols. Phenols when react with sodium hydroxide, it gives a sodium phenoxide, that is ARO negative Na positive. It is known as sodium phenoxide by removal of water molecule. That sodium phenoxide further on acidified, that means react with an aqueous acid, dilute acid, HCl, as like HCl, we get a phenol, we get a product that is phenol with a byproduct sodium chloride. That means when phenol react with sodium hydroxide, we get an intermediate product, that is sodium phenoxide, and the last one product is a phenol with byproduct sodium chloride. Alcohols do not react with either aqueous sodium carbonate or aqueous NaOH. Phenol is react with sodium hydroxide because it have some acidic character, so it can react with sodium hydroxide, but alcohols are neutral, so alcohols does not react with these two bases, as like that sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium hydroxide. Alcohols can react with very strong base like alkali metals, that is sodium or potassium. They does not react with bases, but they can react with strong alkali metals. See here, example number 1, that is 2ROH, that one is alcohol. When react with sodium, we get sodium alkoxide, by liberation of hydrogen atom, hydrogen gas. The second one, when alcohol react with potassium, it also give potassium alkoxide. It also give a potassium alkoxide with liberation of hydrogen gas. And the last one, that is characteristic test for phenols. In exam there is a simple question, give the characteristic state of phenols. For 2 marks you can write only these 3 lines. That is the characteristic state of test of phenols. Phenols react with neutral ferric chloride, FeCl3, neutral ferric chloride, to give deep coloration of ferric phenoxide. That deep color is of a product, that is ferric phenoxide. See here, it is there, that is a deep color of that product. See the reaction. When phenol react with ferric chloride, that is neutral, it gives AROH thrice directly attached with that Fe metal, so it is known as ferric phenoxide with byproduct HCl. Then after there is also some chemical properties, they may be continued tomorrow. Okay.